Today we are unboxing the realme P4 Power smartphone. As a reminder, you can register for free on the TechInsights Platform to follow along with the teardown and access additional free content, including other videos, insights, and reports from the TechInsights experts and market analysts. The P4 Power supports 80-watt ultra charging, which is a variation of OPPO's SuperVOOC high current fast charging technology. Like SuperVOOC, the 80-watt ultra charging feature does require a matched charger and cable. When a compatible SuperVOOC adapter and cable are not used to recharge the P4 Power, the smartphone uses either a programmable power delivery, also known as PPS, or a universal power delivery mode to recharge at lower power levels of 55 watts or 13.5 watts respectively. The realme P4 Power was released in early March in India. It is a mid-range smartphone designed on the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultra platform. The realme P4 battery is one of the highest milliamp battery capacities in the mid-range smartphone category.